Hello, and welcome to my presentation for Ultimate Bartender. As you can see, I am broadcasting myself in the webcam, just to show you that this is a mobile game that takes advantage of the accelerometer. If you want to see some gameplay footage, please fast forward, as I'm going to speak about the design and programming decisions taken in this game. The challenges I wanted to tackle were code modularity and reusability within my classes, an algorithm that would calculate likeness between a recipe and any amount of ingredients, proper usage of accelerometer and other mobile controls. First of all, Ultimate Bartender is heavily inspired by Papers, Please, a game by Lucas Pope. I wish to add more features that mimic those on Pope's game. The game was a product of a recent exposure to Papers, Please and the incoming success of one of my friend's newly opened bar. Ultimate Bartender features several abstract classes. Ingredient, parent class of all the ingredients used to make cocktails. It has a protected string with the name. It also has a public accessor to get the name, not giving the user any ability to change it. It also has a float price per ounce and an amount in case it has been poured on the mixer. Cocktail is the parent class for all the possible cocktails, such as mojitos, piñas coladas, rum and coke, cosmopolitan, etc. It has a protected list of type ingredients. It makes it easy because if I want to create a new cocktail, I just inherit from cocktail, and in the constructor I can define my recipe with recipe.add new ingredient. They also have a base price, determined by checking the amount and price per ounce of every ingredient. Finally, it has an accuracy, which the customer processes when he receives a drink, and is used to determine your tip. This accuracy is calculated in the public function Calculate Likeness, which uses a reference of the list of current ingredients in the mixer, which works like a pointer in C++ and compares with every single ingredient in the recipe. It returns a value between 0 and 1. Let me show you the game in action. I cannot explain to you all the code since it will take a long time. As you can see on screen, you only have to click anywhere to start playing. On the main screen, we will see a customer that requests a drink. We can go to the top right corner and click on the mixing sections to see our bottles. On the bottom part, we can see all the current ingredients we can use. In this case, our customer wants to get some gin and tonic. We can click on the lower right corner to get all our recipes. This current customer wants gin and tonic, which uses 2 ounces of gin and 1 ounce of tonic. The way we pour any drink in the mixer is by tilting our phone. The angle you use to tilt your phone determines how much drink you pour in it. Now we can go back to the client screen and shake our phone to check the mixer. This results in a cocktail on screen. We give it to the customer by clicking on it and dragging it towards the customer. In future releases of the game, I want to add different features such as conversation with the customers, different personalities for every customer, and a reward and punishment system for doing well or bad in the game, and giving the user some kind of goal, an incentive for playing this game. With this, I end this presentation for Ultimate Bartender. Thank you for your time.